Hello my YouTube friends, again I am before you with something to give some relief from the scorching heat of summer. Yes, in this summer. Now I am going to discuss about a Milton Cool water bottle of 1200 ml. Yes, you are hearing rightly, 1200 ml with insulated inside with its mild features that is going to be a game changer in this tropical scorching summer. Let's start with this video from unpack. At first I am going to cut the packet with my pair of scissors. I am cutting this packet now. You can see what is inside after this cutting, and I am cutting the packet. Obviously a recyclable paper pack it is, and I am going to cut it, and I have cut it already. And now I am going to bring back the main packet, and you see this is a recyclable paper but very sturdy, and to protect it from all the outer edges the packet is very sturdy and very sophisticated also. And I am going to unpack it, and it is almost unpacked. It is the bill. You can see the price tag here in this bill. The price is very reasonable. Very reasonable price is given here. You can see this 186 INR only, which is very reasonable. And next, the main packet, and here is the main packet, and the packet is covered with plastic and bubbled plastic to protect from all the outer edges. And see, the packet is totally undamaged. See, the packet is totally undamaged, though it has run from miles. And let's see the picture here. The variations are also here, and by its side the picture of insulation here. And later I am going to discuss about it, and you can see the actual price tag here 260, but I have gotten 186 only INR, obviously, not dollar. See the plastic, and see all the types, and I have a black bottle here, so black is ticked here, and see all the packet, all the peripherals, and all it is. You can see all of them here. And now I am going to open the packet after showing you all of the sides. See, now I am going to cut this. I am going to cut this main packet. Yes, it is going to be opened here. Let's start. Let's see what is inside. Yes, 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 yes. This is the main bottle. It's a water bottle. You can see, and it is very sturdy. Though it is plastic, but very sturdy. And it's a cap, and the cap is still outside and inside plastic. You can see the cap is also very tight and very sturdy. Very stylish also, and it's the insulation of the bottle, and the outer plastic fiber here, all is here, and the bottle is very glossy and very stylish, and it's the silica packet to keep it dry from all the outer weather. It is the strip or tape of the cap to carry very easily. And I am going to show you the inside of this bottle. Yes, I am going to show you the inside of this bottle is insulation. Yes, with my pen. Let's see what is inside. Yes, see, yes, you can see this. It is plastic but very sturdy. Even the insulation is also sturdy, and the outer body is very fine and finely decorated. And the Milton tag is here. The Milton logo is in the back side, and all is here. Then you can see this is here is the Milton logo and Milton seal, and obviously of Hamilton company. And see the inside insulation. I can show you with this pen. Yes, see its sturdiness is sounding quite finely. And see this, and here is the inner insulation and outer cover, all have been shown. I think it is clear to you. And the insulation is to keep it cool from the outer weather. Its cap is also another impact. See, it is the cap is also insulated, and it is going to keep the drink into the bottle very cool even in the summer. Let's see the bottle. Here is the capacity 1.1 liter, and the diameter 9.9 meter, height then 131.6 meter. You can see this, and a washer plastic lid. You can wash the lid also. Its neck is very sturdy. And then its outer body. See, the outer body is here, the plastic body. Inner fate, the insulated fate. Then PU insulation. See this, PU insulation is very sturdy. And then SS cap. The cap is also insulated, as I have said before, and the strap to carry it very easily. And I am going to like this again, and it is here, and see here, so friend, this is here, and bye bye.